Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If your printer is from Canon company and it's showing a error code that is 7800 error code, then this video is for you. So if this error occurs, that means that your printer head or error has occurred. So here is the solution for you. What to do if you find this error? If resetting the printer head does not resolve this problem, you can replace the print heads. After replacing the print head, check if it's solved or not. If the problem persists, the printer requires servicing, so you should talk to a servicing centers and call for a technician that can actually help you to solve this technical issue on your Canon printer. So this is kind of, if this you find this error code, then that's mean you are actually facing a technical error on your printer. So here is there are two options currently available to you, like warranty service. If you are within the 1 year manufacturer's warranty, then and have your proof of purchase, you are entitled to service replacement. If you have purchased a care pack Canon extended warranty, you may be entitled to additional options. Please create or log into your Canon account to obtain service. Now, if you are out of warranty, if you are outside of your warranty period, you may qualify for purchasing a replacement through the Canon upgrade program. Please contact the sales group to inquiry about your upgrade option at this number, that is 866-443-8002. Then you can actually can get a warranty. To verify your separate option, please create or log into your Canon account. So here is a caution for you: do not tilt the printer when moving it, since the ink may leak out. So that's the pretty much all thing about your printer, how you can solve it. You can reset the print heads, or otherwise you can follow these two options. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.